So if you hang in there with me for the rest of the semester, and I hope that you all do, I'll do this from time to time. There's were two slides left literally, and I stopped it for whatever reason. So an indirect democracy, representative democracy, is what we have. It's a republican form of government that the Constitution describes. We elect people, our senators, representatives, the mayor, the trustees in your towns and cities and villages to make laws, policies, political decisions for all of us to live by and under. It works well in large populations, like with the United States or the state of Illinois or even the city of Peoria. It's impractical to bring the entire population together. The seat people in Peoria, they elect a mayor, they elect a city council. They make the practical decisions, they do the governing. It's not time consuming, although it does create a professional class of politician. And politicians, that should not be a lifestyle choice. That should not be a career. That is not what the founders intended anyway. So there are basic ideas of democracy, and you can bet you're going to be tested on these. So you have popular consent and sovereignty. One day I'll learn how to write on a computer and highlight and, make this look somewhat professional. Respect for the individual, equality of opportunity. As I said, this is very different from equality of result, which is what it's often confused for. Everybody gets the chance. I believe I used an example of a Starbucks manager. Everybody gets a chance to apply to be the Starbucks manager, but only one's going to get it. Everybody, if the system's working how it should, gets to submit the resume, gets an interview, but not everybody can get the job. And respect for the individual, you should just respect people and be cool with people because they are people, just like you. Nobody's any different. Nobody's any better. Nobody's any worse than anybody else. So they have rights that should be respected no matter race, class, status, or beliefs. Again, popular consent, sovereignty, they're pretty self-explanatory, but people are the source of power and decide what they want. So power to the people, people power. You have personal liberty as well. So the rights that we enjoy are guaranteed and protected, not protection, by the Bill of Rights. Then you have the rule of law, which is something that we discussed with Magna Carta. Nobody is above the law. No one. So that wraps the principles of democracy up. Go ahead and give this a watch. Again, I'm not going to click on it because of potential copyright problems. They are going to list for you some other principles of democracy and explain these in pretty good detail. It's worth a watch. However, I should, just in all fairness, say this is not on the test. When I ask you about the principles of democracy on the test, it'll be from or all of that list. Okay. One more thing. I've noticed that the views on these lectures for the anytime section are not anywhere near where they should be. So I am going to give 5 points extra credit to anybody who watches this and emails me at jonathan.parker@icc.edu, my school address, the text of the First Amendment, word for word. This offer is only good through Sunday, September 6th, 11:59 p.m. I get an email from you with the text of the First Amendment. Anytime beyond that, I'm not giving you extra credit. But Let's see who's watching.